Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Snapchat and tapping your profile icon in the top left. This takes you straight to account controls. Once done, tap the gear icon to enter settings so you can change notification behavior. Make sure the app is updated because older versions may hide options. If you use iPhone, also be ready to check system notifications later. On Android, you may see an in-app notifications section. Go there next to adjust sound controls. Now in notifications, you control the sound itself. You should see a sounds or notification sounds toggle. Switch it off to silence all Snapchat alert noises. If you prefer granularity, tap categories like chat, stories, or snaps and disable sound per category so you still get visual alerts. You do this to avoid missing messages while removing audible interruptions. Once configured, exit settings and test by having someone send a message to confirm. Finish by verifying your phone's system notification settings because app silencing can be overridden by OS preferences. On iPhone, go to Settings Notifications Snapchat, and on Android, open App Info Notifications. If Snapchat still plays sounds, restart the app or the phone to apply changes. As a troubleshooting tip, if silence persists, clear Snapchat's cache or reinstall the app. This often fixes stuck settings. Make sure to test again so you know the problem is resolved.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.